watching ReShoe, where I set out to restore, repurpose and rejuvenate all types of dress shoes. Stick around if you're interested. Hello everyone and welcome back to ReShoe. Today I'm going to show you a cheap and easy suede care tutorial, which is going to include removing scratches, freshening up the suede and waterproofing it. Suede care is really not that difficult. It does not involve many steps, it does not involve many products. However, there are a few things that you can do to improve the lifetime of your suede shoes. The brown loafers in this video are by Spences, and the blue suede Chelsea boots are by a Romanian company called BMan. There are a few scratches and abrasions on the suede on both pairs and a few areas that have faded away slightly, but that's not an area of concern and it's nothing that we cannot fix with just a few simple tools. Speaking of simple tools, the first one that we're going to use is a regular eraser, like the one we all used in school. Saphir has a product called the SUEDE eraser, which is like €12, and I wasn't keen on spending that much money on an eraser. Therefore, I've looked a bit online and realized that this regular eraser works just fine. Use it as if you were to remove pencil writing from a paper. Do not apply too much pressure, but make sure that you scrub pretty thoroughly in order for the abrasion to disappear. Next up, in order to buff away the debris left from the eraser and to freshen up the suede, we're going to be using a synthetic bristle brush. It is indeed recommended to use a flexible bore bristle brush for suede or even a crepe brush. However, since this is a budget tutorial, I'm going to be using just a regular synthetic bristle brush. Either way, what you're looking for in your bristles is that they are coarse, however they are very flexible, so as to interact well with the suede, which is a coarse material. Brush the shoes as if you were brushing a regular pair of smooth leather shoes with a horsehair brush. This will remove the debris from the eraser and restore back the smoothness and fresh look of the suede. Last but not least, perhaps the most important step of the process is to use a waterproofing spray made especially for suede. I'm going to be using the Saphir Invulner spray, which is one of the best out there, and as I said in the beginning, suede care isn't really that difficult. Suede itself is a pretty durable and low maintenance material. However, what you have to look out for when wearing suede shoes is to not get them wet, because that may alter the color permanently or damage the suede, and we don't want that here. Therefore, we're gonna be using this Saphir Invulner spray. Shake it thoroughly and then apply maybe 1 or even 2 coats of spray over the whole shoe. Don't be worried if the shoes slightly darken when you apply the spray. It's normal, it's natural, and they will very soon be back to their normal color. After applying the spray adequately, you're gonna have to wait 30 minutes, and then you're gonna see what I meant by this being the most important step of the process. Alright, now for a little experiment. I'm gonna take some water and pour it on the suede. See how it just rolls off and does not penetrate the suede whatsoever? Yes, indeed, good waterproofing sprays act like shields for the suede, and as you can see, I repeatedly pour pretty substantial quantities of water on the suede and they just roll off, and the leather looks as good as new. To recap, everything that you need to have for a budget and easy suede care process is a regular eraser, a regular synthetic stiff but flexible bristle brush, and a good waterproofing spray. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting the channel with a like, a subscribe, a share to your friends, and most importantly, do not forget to click the notification bell so you can stay up to date with whenever I post. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at @ReShoe, and I'll see you next time. Stay shiny!